Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Titan Drillman from Skibidi Toilet Multiverse. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw part of the neck. Let's start with a curve across. Then let's angle it down and out on both sides, and a curve across the bottom. Now top on top and let's start drawing the head. In the center, let's draw a curve down. Then two angles coming to a point on the right for the drill. Now inside, let's add some curved stripes in sets of 2, like this. Next, in the center behind the drill, let's draw a circle shape. Now on the bottom left, let's add a curve on the outside. And on the bottom right, let's draw a small bent line. And then add some stripes inside. Now let's hop inside and add some details to the head. On the left side, let's draw 3 curves across the center here. Then underneath, let's draw a line down, and then a bent line next to it on the right. Now in the top section, let's add another curve, and add some stripes inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and start drawing the body. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a square shape going down. Then 2 lines across near the top. And add some vertical stripes inside. Now let's hop to the sides of the neck and let's draw a curve out and then bring it down on both sides. Then about halfway down, let's draw an angle in, down, and then towards the center. And the same on the right. Then in the top sections, let's add another curve in, and bring it down. Then above this line, let's add another curve, and bring it down. And then add some vertical stripes inside that section. And then underneath here, let's add a square shape on both sides. Now let's move underneath in the center and let's leave a small gap and draw a large circle. Now let's add small rectangles all the way around on the outside. Next, let's hop inside and add the details. Let's start with a circle for a border. And then a smaller circle in the center. Now from the top and bottom, let's draw 2 angled lines, and then connect them with a curve on the sides. And then add some striped lines inside. Now let's add 2 more curved pieces in the same way. From the top, let's bring it in and up. And the same thing at the bottom. And then another set of curves to close it off. And again, let's add some striped lines inside. And that's it for the center chest piece. Now let's move back out and finish drawing the torso. From the sides, let's bring it down. And then curve it in to the center. Then underneath, let's step in and let's draw another line down and curve it in on both sides. Now let's move inside and add some details. In the top section, from the middle, let's bring it in, angle it down, and one more line to the center. And the same step line on the right side. Now on top, let's add an angled line, and then a black circle on top overlapping. Then hop down, and in those bottom sections, let's add a square shape. Now let's hop underneath and draw the waist. Let's draw 2 lines down. Then near the top here, let's angle it to the center, coming to a point. Next, underneath in the center, let's draw a square shape. And another one inside. Now for the sides, let's angle it back in. And then one more set of angles inside here. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and draw the arms. From the sides, let's draw 2 lines out. And then a curve at the end. Now let's move inside and let's draw 2 curves down in the center. Then a line across near the top here. And then 2 lines on the outside near the bottom here. Now for the shoulder piece, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curved rectangle. Now to fill in the gap, let's draw an angle up and over. And the same from the bottom. And then add one more curve inside. Next, let's finish drawing the shoulder pieces. From the top, let's curve it out. Then let's angle it back in and then down. Now at the bottom here, let's draw a circle in the middle of the gap. And then add another circle inside. Then close off the bottom with lines on both sides of the circles. And lastly, inside each shoulder, let's add 2 curves. Now for the next piece of the arm, let's leave a gap again and draw another curve. Then from the top, let's curve it down. Then curve it back in. And then close it off with an angled line. And then add 2 curved stripes inside. Now let's fill in the gap between this piece and the shoulder by adding 2 curves. And then color these sections in black. Now at the end of each arm, let's draw the drills, angling them down and in. And make sure we leave enough room in the center for the legs. Let's start by drawing a rounded rectangle on an angle. Then inside each of these, let's add 2 curves across the center. And then 3 small circles inside. And then let's add a bump on both sides like this. Now for the top corner, let's curve it up and back in. And then add another curved rectangle at the top of each arm. Now let's hop down and draw the neck section. Let's start with 2 curved lines down and in. And then curves at the end. Now inside these sections, let's add another rectangle inside. Now inside each rectangle, let's draw 3 sets of double curves. Now let's move down to the bottom and let's add a curve across and the same on the right. And then a large pointed V shape at the bottom of each one for the drill. Then add some curved stripes inside on a diagonal. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back inside and add the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw a long rectangle down. And another one inside. Now from both sides, let's draw an angled rectangle. And then add 2 rectangles inside each of these. Now let's move down and let's draw a curve across on both sides. Now for the ends, let's curve it down. And then another curved bent line down on both sides. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And then close off both sides at the bottom. Now on top, let's fill in the gap by drawing an angle up from the top here, and another angle from the inside. And then color these sections in black. Now let's hop back down and finish drawing the legs. Underneath, let's draw a set of curves down, and then a curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's draw 3 circles in a triangle shape. Now underneath, let's draw a large curved V shape. And the same thing inside. Now top to the sides, and let's draw a line down and in on both sides. Then a smaller rectangle shape underneath. Now underneath, let's draw 2 lines down with the inside line being longer. And then connect them with a curve. Now for the feet, let's angle it out, and the same thing underneath. Now at the ends, let's add a curve across, bring it out from the bottom, and an angled line down from the top. And then close off the ends. Lastly, let's add that same shape behind on the heels. And that's it for Titan Drillman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!